Stonebridge Ranch, one of McKinney's crown jewels. And if you know anything about McKinney, you know this place is pretty special. Tree-lined streets, incredible amenities like pools, lakes, and pickleball courts, plus miles of trails perfect for walking, jogging, or just looking like you're exercising. And right here in the very sought-after Cima Meadows neighborhood is a house that checks all the boxes. Wait till you see the backyard, but first, let's start in the front.
Welcome to 8612 Broad Meadow Lane.
This home has what I like to call a mullet floor plan, business in the front and party in the back. Check out this beautiful study, perfect for working from home or pretending you're busy when really you're just scrolling social media. And here's your formal dining room, ready for holiday dinners, birthday parties, or just a great excuse to pull out the fancy plates. These gorgeous hand-scraped hardwood floors run through the main living spaces, adding warmth and character. And the family room? It's spacious, inviting, and perfect for everything from Netflix marathons to epic board game battles. This updated kitchen is ready to impress with double ovens, a granite composite sink, and space to whip up everything from a 5-course meal to those let's just order pizza kind of nights. The primary suite is tucked away, giving you the peace and quiet you deserve. In this updated bathroom, it's like a mini spa retreat. Upstairs, you've got 4 bedrooms, perfect for kids, guests, or that home gym you'll swear you're going to use. 2 full baths, including a Jack and Jill, making mornings smoother. And this is the ultimate game room. Movie nights, gaming marathons, or intense battles of Monopoly that test lifelong friendships. This room is ready for it all.
And this is where the party really starts.
The backyard is to die for. A beautifully updated pool, low maintenance, pet-friendly turf, and plenty of space for summer barbecue